Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. On my channel today, guys, I wanted to share with you a project that I had recently. It was a commission project for 9 Ragdoll Shopping Bag Holders. Never made one before, and I said, she showed me a picture of one, asked me could I make it. I said yes, because in my head I know I could make it. But even though I never made one before, but because of, sewing experience and making clothes for dolls and so on and so forth, I decided to take that commission, and this is what I came up with. And I should have took them all out of the bag, but I bagged them up because they're ready for delivery. And this is the result. Lace on the bottom, elastic. The bag goes in the back. This is where the bags go in at. Shopping bag, you put them in there and you pull them out at the bottom. Look, don't ask me where I got the weave at. Because that's just what it is. It's actually a wig, and I figured out how to cut the tracks off, and I made a wig or weaved it on a different piece of fabric, and then I curled it up, and then I glued it on top of her head. So guys, I will be in the jewelry. You know, I make the jewelry as the way I do with the African statuettes. So guys, you know that eventually I will get to show you how I make my Ragdoll shopping bag holders. This is another one. And opens in the back, but the shopping bag goes in the front. Some of these dolls, the bags are in the front. The openings are in the front, and some of them are in the back. And I just wanted to give you a peek at what else I realized I can do. And bring it to form, bring it to life. I also made these rings so that they can hang on a hook on the back of a kitchen door or wherever the bag will be hanging, or the doll. This is she. And I'm going to show you another one. This one is my favorite. The earrings are made out of scrap fabric that I had laying around from the hair bonnets that I make. The scrub caps. Nursing scrub caps. Pieces of material. Yeah, guys, so I just wanted to share with you what else I realized I could do. Again, and you realize these are handkerchiefs, right? These are the 20 by 20 handkerchiefs. Went to Walmart and I found the lace trim. And that's what I did. I made her necklace also. And these are ribbon earrings, fabric earrings. And the bracelets, this is ribbon too, really fine, thin ribbon to create the bracelet illusion. But anyway, so I have a few more here, guys, and what I'll do is I'll put them up on the slide, do a small slideshow. And guys, that's it. I just want to do that real quick impromptu. So I will see you guys in the next video, which I will be doing another one right after this. And hopefully have that thing posted out tomorrow, because today is Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. I will see you guys in that video. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.